This is a Craftsman 4-gallon, 5-horse shop vac, and I just plugged it in. Before I get started, I'll tell you, when you first get it, go ahead and remove the top here. You do that by just unclipping these two, one on each side, and pulling it up. I don't really know why I did that, but inside was this instruction manual and another tool. What came inside the box was this tool, of course, the hose and this, and the brush tool. But when I opened that, inside was the instruction manual and another tool. So be sure to open it before you start using it. And it's pretty noisy, but